Now, welcome to your beautiful home. Hi, this is Bautista from Metroguide Realty, and before we begin, for quality home tours, don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and subscribe to us here on YouTube. Now, welcome to our latest open house tour for a brand new 5-bedroom prime townhome development for sale located near Kapitolyo, Pasig City. So right now, we're gonna tour you through this beautiful home, but before we do that, let's take a quick look at this property's features. Beginning with the site plan, it's an exclusive 6-unit development, with each unit having an approximate floor area of 437 square meters and lot areas ranging from 120 to 153 square meters. For the specific home features, each unit has 5 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms, a 3-car garage, a living area, a dining area, a kitchen with a breakfast bar, a 3rd-level family hallway, 2 balconies, a viewing deck, a service and laundry area, and a maid's room. And all of this in a development that's just 10 to 15 minutes away from Bonifacio Global City, Ortigas Business Center, and EDSA. Now let's begin the tour. We're going to take a look at the end unit, which is facing the east side of the property or the sunrise side of the property. And here, you immediately have a 3-car garage, and the advantage of having an end unit is you have additional parking space on this side. And if you see those stairs leading up, you have access there towards the maid's room. Let's take a quick look. As you can see, it's quite spacious, and it has a window overlooking the driveway area, and it has its own bathroom. Let's head back down. A nice feature of the garage area is the high ceiling, which gives the whole facade a much more open and well-ventilated feel. Also, you just have some construction materials here that are gonna get cleared out. And let's head on in. Now, welcome to your beautiful home. The interior of the house gives you a feeling of a single detached house rather than a townhouse because of the space. You have a beautiful high ceiling area over here with large windows reaching to the 2nd floor, and you have a great view of the staircase reaching all the way to the 3rd level. It also gives a lot of ventilation to this part of the property, and from here, your living space leads to your dining area, which can be on this side. And on this side, you have an open planned main kitchen. Your main dining space has these windows, which gives it a much more bright and welcoming feel. You can actually have a small television set over here beside your dining table if you'd like. And on this side, You have this large countertop, which is great for informal dining. You can make this a nice breakfast nook. You have plenty of pantry space. This is where you can have your large refrigerator, and this is where you can have your cooktop and oven. I would suggest that you could modify this. We can modify this in the future because there are some ovens which are much larger than the space allotted here. But that's all cosmetic and can be arranged. On this side, you have access leading to the driveway, which we already explored before. And now let's head on back and take a look at the first bedroom here. This room is of a modest size. You can make this a nice guest room, home office, or as an additional den space if you'd like. It has its own bathroom here, which also serves as the powder room of the ground level. Here's another perspective of your main living area. The nice thing about this is this opens up into a garden space. It just needs a little trimming, but there's ample space here to actually tile this whole area off and make this a nice outdoor patio area. Let's head back in. And now let's head on up to the second level where we have your master bedroom. Let's go. Welcome to the second level of the home. The second level is exclusively for the master bedroom. Let's take a look. For the master bedroom, you have a nice wooden design for the flooring, and this is actually quite easy to clean. On top of that, you can arrange your bed on this corner upon entering the room, and you can orient it this way and have a large television set over here. The nice thing is it even has these two windows giving you a view of your living room area, and it lets in light from the east side of the property. On this side, you have a large sliding door leading to a spacious balcony. So this already has a steel railing and a great view of the East Mountains on this side. So this is a view which is reserved for the two end units. So they're both available as of the making of this video. Let's head back in. Here's another perspective of your master bedroom. And on this side, you have a spacious walk-in closet area and dresser space. From this perspective, you can see that there's really plenty of storage space here and closet space that you can easily access from your master bedroom. And here you have your master bathroom. It has a very elegant shower enclosure and dark tiles, giving it a very refined feel. Now let's head on up to the third level. Let's go. Let's take a quick look at some of the nice features here. You already have stainless steel railings for the stairs, so it's very sturdy. And for the corner units, you can notice that there's a window stretching from the ground floor all the way to the third floor, making this whole area of the corner units so well lit. And you can even see the views towards the mountains as you take the stairs from the third down to the first level. Now let's head on up. Welcome to the third level of this home, where you're welcomed by a second living space. What's unique about this property is you already have a high ceiling on the ground floor, and then you have a second high ceiling here on the third floor. You have here a supporting column for the structure, but this gives you a second space to entertain guests, to have family gatherings in. You can have a meeting downstairs, but you can have a separate function here on the third floor. And on top of that, you have additional space on this side for storage under the stairs here. And you have a great balcony space over here. So once again, for the corner units, you have an even better view as we're getting more elevated. Now let's head back in. From here, let's now take a look at the two rooms here on the third floor. So we can consider this the third and fourth bedroom. The third bedroom is facing the east side of the property, so it's well lit in the mornings. And it's cool in the afternoons. You already have a provision here for a split type air conditioning unit. You have enough space for a large bed here. And once we walk on this side of the room, you have a walk-in closet space and a dresser area, as well as your own bathroom. One of the nice things about this property is that the walk-in closet area is really a walk-in area. It's not just some built-in cabinet space that's in the room itself. There's a separate design for the layout that's away from your bed and other furnishings in your main bedroom space. Now let's head on out to the fourth room. The fourth bedroom has a similar size as the third bedroom. It also already comes with a split type air conditioning unit provision. And this is where you can have your television set on this side or on this side. The windows here are already facing the other unit. That's why, very intelligently, a window was designed here so that additional daylight and natural light would come in from the hallway area. From here, you once again have a well-designed walk-in closet space and your own bathroom. And you once again have your dresser space as well. This level is one of our favorite parts of the house because it seems like you have one giant window stretching all across one side of the living space. And this corner window really gives you a fantastic vantage point of the city and the nearby hills. Now let's head on up to the fourth level. Let's go. Welcome to the fourth level of this property, where we have our fifth bedroom. In terms of size, the fifth bedroom is more spacious than the third and fourth bedrooms. If you'd like, you can even consider making this your master bedroom. Because of the orientation of the room, there's so much you can do in terms of positioning a large bed, whether on this side or this side or this side of the property. And you also have these two large windows giving you a great vantage point of your third level living space. And from here, you also once again have your walk-in closet space and your own private bathroom. Let's head on to the next portion and one of the best parts of this house. Coming from the fifth bedroom, what you see here is the large window which gives the facade of the property a very striking and modern look. And it also gives so much natural light towards the third level living space. And we have these steps leading up to your viewing deck. To give you the best view of your third level living space from the fourth level, here's another perspective. And as we head on up, to your right, you have an additional bathroom. This is already the sixth bathroom in the property. So you can use this for guests. If you have an activity here on the viewing deck. Your service area has a sink space, and this is where you can put your laundry as well. And you can make this a nice drying area also for clothes. That's why it's semi-enclosed. But the highlight of this level is your viewing deck. The only thing I could say when I went up here was wow, because you are facing the east side of the property, so the sunrise is coming from this side and you have a fantastic view of the city and the nearby hills and mountains. And right now we're shooting this nearing noon time, but it's still very cool and breezy on this side. So you can imagine having a couple of tables and chairs over here, and in the afternoons, the sun is already in the other side of the property, so this becomes much cooler as well. You can just imagine staying here and just looking out into the mountains early in the mornings or late in the afternoons or even late in the evenings. It's a fantastic sanctuary for you and your family. Thank you for joining us in this prime 5-bedroom townhouse for sale located here in Kapitolyo, Pasig City. If you want to know more about this property or visit it in person, just click the description below where you can get in touch with us through our email and number shown there. You can also send us a message on Instagram and Facebook. Once again, my name is Jake Bautista from Metroguide Realty. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bring you clarity, quality, and convenience in finding a great Metro Manila home for you and your family. Here's one more look at this brand new 5-bedroom modern and accessible townhome development for sale located near Kapitolyo, Pasig City.
Contact us today in the email and number shown here to schedule a property viewing. You can also click the description below for the property details. Don't forget to click that subscribe button so that you can get notified of our future videos. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you and your family a great Metro Manila home.